Have you ever wondered how the things around you are made? What are the secrets behind their manufacturing process? Welcome to the secret world of manufacturing, an intricate dance of machines and human labor, a place where raw materials transform into the items we use every day. It's a world that's often hidden from view, yet its impact is seen in every corner of our lives. Think about it. The chair you're sitting on, the device you're holding, even the clothes you're wearing. All these started as mere ideas, sketches on a paper. They journeyed through a complex process, a symphony of steps, each precisely timed and carefully executed, eventually taking form and function. The manufacturing process is like a giant puzzle with thousands of pieces. Each piece, no matter how small, is crucial. It's a world where precision is paramount, and even a fraction of an error could change the outcome drastically. Despite its complexity, the manufacturing world is also a place of incredible beauty and efficiency. The way raw materials metamorphose into finished products is nothing short of miraculous. Can you imagine a lump of molten glass transforming into a delicate vase? Or a spool of thread becoming a stylish piece of clothing? Or a block of metal morphing into a state-of-the-art gadget? This world is not just about machines and materials, it's also about the people who make it happen. The engineers who design, the operators who execute, and the quality controllers who ensure perfection. Each person plays a vital role in this grand production. In this series, we'll take you behind the scenes of this fascinating world. We'll show you processes that you've never seen before and ones that you never even knew existed. We'll explore how everyday items are made and the unique manufacturing processes behind them. From the art of glassmaking to the magic of 3D printing, from the intricacies of watchmaking to the journey of a chocolate bar, we'll uncover the secrets behind these processes. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of discovery? Because this isn't just about how things are made. It's about understanding the effort, the ingenuity, and the passion that goes into every product we use. Stay tuned as we unravel the fascinating world of manufacturing. Imagine a world without glass. Hard to picture, isn't it? As common as it is in our daily lives, the process of creating glass is anything but ordinary. It all begins with one of the most abundant materials on our planet, sand. Yes, the same sand that we walk on at the beach is the primary ingredient in this transformative process. Turning sand into glass is a metamorphosis that requires two crucial elements: intense heat and meticulous craftsmanship. It's a bit like baking a cake, but instead of a warm, fluffy dessert, you end up with a solid, transparent material that can be shaped into a multitude of forms. The sand used for glassmaking isn't any ordinary sand, though. It's a special type known as silica sand, rich in silicon dioxide. This sand is mixed with soda ash and limestone and then heated to a staggering 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. At this temperature, the sand melts and forms a hot, molten substance called glass liquid. Now this is where the magic happens, and the true artistry of glassmaking comes into play. This molten substance is then carefully shaped and molded by skilled artisans. They use a variety of tools and techniques to manipulate the glass, creating everything from simple drinking glasses to intricate works of art. The final step in the process is called annealing. The crafted glass is cooled down slowly in a special oven called a layer. This slow cooling process helps to remove any stresses in the glass, making it stronger and less likely to break. The art of glassmaking is a dance between the forces of nature and human ingenuity. It's a testament to our ability to harness the raw materials of our planet and transform them into objects of beauty and practicality. So the next time you look through a window or drink from a glass, take a moment to appreciate the artistry, skill, and science that went into its creation. Glassmaking, a process as beautiful as the product itself. From imagination to reality, 3D printing is truly magical. This revolutionary technology transforms digital blueprints into tangible objects, making it a game-changer in the manufacturing landscape. Imagine an artist painstakingly crafting a sculpture, chiseling away at a block of stone for hours, days, even weeks. Now imagine a machine that can produce a similar sculpture with equal precision and detail in a fraction of the time. That's the magic of 3D printing. Let's dive into the process. It all starts with a digital model, a three-dimensional representation of the object to be printed. This model is created using computer-aided design, or CAD, software. It's like a virtual blueprint, containing all the details necessary to produce the physical object. Once the design is complete, it's time for the magic to happen. The 3D printer reads the digital model and begins to build the object layer by layer from the bottom up. This method, called additive manufacturing, is what sets 3D printing apart from traditional manufacturing processes, which often involve cutting or drilling into material to create a shape. The printer uses a variety of materials, including plastic, metal, and even ceramics, which are fed into the machine in the form of filaments or powders. These materials are heated until they reach a semi-liquid state, then extruded through a nozzle onto the build platform. Layer by layer, the object takes shape. Each layer fuses with the one beneath it, gradually building up the object until it's complete. The result is a fully formed, three-dimensional object, ready for use or further processing. 3D printing isn't just a faster, more efficient way to manufacture goods, it's also a tool for innovation. This technology allows us to create complex shapes and structures that would be difficult, if not impossible, to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. From customized prosthetics and architectural models to intricate jewelry and even food, 3D printing is reshaping the way we create and produce. It's not just about making things, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. 3D printing, the future of manufacturing at our fingertips. Time waits for no one, and neither does watchmaking. In the realm of manufacturing, watchmaking stands out as an intricate dance of precision and artistry. It's a world where the minuscule meets the monumental, where the ticking hands of time are crafted by human hands. The story of a watch begins in a workshop, not unlike an artist's studio, where craftsmen and craftswomen bring together hundreds, sometimes thousands of tiny components to create a functioning timepiece. Imagine a symphony orchestra, where each instrument plays a crucial role in creating a harmonious whole. The same principle applies to watchmaking. Each tiny gear, each minute spring, each delicate hand, and each intricate dial is a soloist in the grand orchestra that is a watch. The process starts with the design and development of the watch's heart, the movement. This mechanical marvel, often no larger than a quarter, is what powers the watch. It's a complex ensemble of gears and springs, each piece painstakingly crafted and assembled with the utmost precision. Next comes the dial and hands, the face of the watch. Here, meticulous attention to detail is key. The dial is often hand-painted, while the hands are shaped and polished to perfection. Every numeral, every marking, every detail is a testament to the artisan's skill and dedication. Finally, the case and strap are crafted. Whether it's a gleaming stainless steel or a refined leather strap, these elements not only protect the delicate inner workings of the watch, but also give it its unique character and style. Each watch, therefore, is not just a timepiece. It's a testament to human ingenuity, to the marriage of science and art, to the relentless pursuit of perfection. It's a celebration of the intricate dance between the craftsman and the craft, between man and machine, between time and those who seek to measure it. Watchmaking, a testament to human precision. Sweet, smooth, and delicious. But have you ever thought about how chocolate is made? Let's embark on a sweet journey from the tropical rainforests to the candy aisle in your local store. It all starts with the humble cacao tree. The cacao tree, native to Central and South America, produces large pods that house the all-important cocoa beans. Harvesting these pods is a labor-intensive process, often done by hand to ensure the precious beans inside aren't damaged. Once the pods are harvested, they're cracked open to reveal the cocoa beans nestled within a sweet white pulp. The beans are then extracted, fermented, and dried in the sun, a process that can take up to 2 weeks. It's during this time that they develop their distinctive chocolate flavor. The journey continues as these dried beans are shipped worldwide. Upon arrival at a chocolate factory, they're roasted at high temperatures. This roasting process further enhances the flavor, turning the beans into what we recognize as cocoa. The roasted beans are then ground into a fine paste known as chocolate liquor, which is the base for all chocolate products. This paste is separated into cocoa solids and cocoa butter. It's the proportion of these two elements that determines the type of chocolate, dark, milk, or white. The concoction then goes through a process called conching, where it's continuously mixed and aerated to smooth out the texture. Quality control is paramount during this stage. The chocolate is tasted at different stages to ensure it meets the high standards we all expect from our favorite treat. Finally, the chocolate is tempered, a process that gives it that satisfying snap and glossy finish. It's then poured into molds, cooled and wrapped. And voila, the journey ends with a delicious chocolate bar ready for you to enjoy. Chocolate making, a process as sweet as the product itself.